cute blaster buddy. Do they come in adult sizes? Yeah, they do actually, as what I'm building here is a LEGO 1:1 scale replica of the blaster pistol Din Djarin uses in The Mandalorian up until the finale of Season 3, as The Mandalorian seems to have a habit of showing us cool and interesting things before either losing them or blowing them up. Now, I originally built this for the release of Season 2, and regardless what you think of the TV show, personally, Season 1 was pretty solid, but it goes downhill from there. We can at least all agree that Din Djarin's pistol is one of the slickest pistol designs in Star Wars. It is of course based off the 1894 Bergmann No. 1 semi-automatic pistol, which has a very unique design with a circular cutout trigger guard that allows you to do this. And I love doing that.